She fight to take me no win, this cat nigga can't even see me on win. She fight to flight, nigga win this cat. She fight to flight, me no way out of here.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Lex. We are back with another cooking video. We are on a roll, right? Thank you guys for tuning in and showing all of the love that you guys have been showing. Today is going to be a quick recipe. We are going to do chicken and shrimp tortellini Alfredo. I love tortellini noodles. They are fire. They're stuffed with cheese. You can see them here. We have all of our ingredients. We got some shredded Parmesan cheese. I couldn't find a block of Parmesan, so we got shredded Parmesan cheese, our heavy whip, our cream cheese, some chicken cut up already and cleaned, some shrimp cut up already and cleaned, and we got some Kerrygold Garlic Herb Butter. I love that butter. And then we got our tortellini noodles, some garlic paste, and chicken bouillon by Nor. Y'all know I swear by this. I had to get some more and stock up. But yeah, we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to go ahead and get my noodles going. They are actually, I just turned them on. So I got the water going back there. We're going to jump right into frying up our chicken and shrimp and making our sauce. So to a pan, we're going to go ahead and add some olive oil. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of this Kerrygold butter. That's good and melted. We're going to take our cut up chicken, add it right to the pan. To this chicken, we're going to add some Kinder's lemon garlic butter. I know you guys want me to start adding in how much seasoning I'm using. I'm one of those to my ancestors tell me to stop type of girlies. So I'm just going to go in with about 2 tablespoons, I'll say, of every seasoning. It's a little thick, so it's not a whole lot. I know it looked like I shook a lot, but I don't have a lot. I'll use this little wooden spoon for reference to just show you how much I'm using. So again, like I said, about 2 tablespoons of each seasoning. We're using seasoning salt, garlic powder. This is black pepper. I'll use a little bit of Italian seasoning. That's all we got left in that. So that's all we need. And we also gonna come in with a little bit of parsley flakes. Kinder's grilled chicken, I'm gonna add into it. We got some garlic paste, and that's just gonna give it that nice garlicky flavor that we love in our Alfredo. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm just gonna give that a quick little stir. It looks nice and seasoned. So we got that on a high setting. I like my chicken to have a little crisp to it. So I like to turn the heat up a little bit because I like that seasoning to really stick to my chicken and then give it a little crust. Once the chicken is halfway done, I like to add my shrimp right into this same pot. Hey, it's all going down the same way. Shrimp takes a little less to cook. So we'll be right back once we go ahead and add our shrimp in. Our chicken got a nice crust on it. It looks really good. It's starting to get that flavor crust on it that I like. I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp to the other side of the pan. And just let that cook. All you got to do is let the shrimp cook about 3 minutes on each side, and it's pretty much good to go. Our chicken and shrimp is all browned up. We're going to add some more of that garlic and herb butter to a pan. Let it melt down so we can make our Alfredo sauce. So our packaging says to add the pasta to 2 quarts of boiling water, reduce heat, and boil gently for 5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Our butter is melted. We're going to add in about 1.5 cups of heavy whip. We got our heavy cream mixed in with our butter. We're going to add a Parmesan cheese. We're going to also add about 3/4 of cream cheese.
Duke Nukem 2.
Okay guys, I actually decided to add more heavy cream just because I'd rather have more than less. I'm just stirring in all of that so that it melts. I'm going to actually add a little bit more Parmesan cheese so that we can get it nice and thick. And the only thing we're going to add to this is a little bit of minced garlic. We're going to do about literally a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Also going to add a little bit of parsley. All right, Alexis is telling us that our noodles are done. Just draining my pasta. Make sure our pasta sauce is thickening up. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese because it's not as thick as I would like it. And that's probably because I did add more heavy whip. So a little bit more cheese should do the trick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on this while it cooks up and thickens up real quick. And I'll be back once we're ready to assemble everything. Our sauce is very thick. We're gonna go ahead and add our tortellini noodles in. I just got the 3 cheese tortellini and I'm just adding that right into the sauce. I'm just gonna mix it in. Mix it in real good. We got our chicken and shrimp here. And we're gonna mix that right in as well. That should give our sauce some nice color. Oh yes, it did too. We're gonna go ahead and place all of our Alfredo right into this pan. No matter what I do, bro, it's always so much food. Whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and top the top of this with some more of our grated Parmesan. And this is just to give it a little crust at the top. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes until my cheese just melts on top, and then we'll be ready to eat. All right. This is it. I let it brown at the top a little bit. I'm ready to dive in. I don't even got nothing to say. Let's plate it up and eat it up. We'll be right back. We will soon be having other people to come on and taste test, because I know it's like, how can we take your word for it when you the one cooking it? Like, of course you're gonna like it. So we will be having some more people come and taste test the food, but I promise you, I can cook, okay? It's extremely hot, but I only got 5% left on my battery, so we gotta hurry up and dig in so that we can see if it's good or not. You know what? I'm not just saying that because I cooked it. It's so fire. Y'all heard that. But anyway, this is very, very good. This might be the best tortellini I've made. Not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie.
Here's what it looks like. Fire. Definitely fire. All right. Once again, I appreciate you guys for all the love and support that you guys have been showing on every video. All I had to do was cook for y'all. Y'all could have been telling me that. It's like, no, but I do love the support. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Let me know down below what you want me to cook next. Bye.